Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fisner. How you doing, guys? You okay? Hello. So, in today's episode, it's a really quick video. There was a video about this Apple netbook. I don't remember the model, A1708. Okay, that's what Book Repair Online.co.uk is showing. So the problem with this MacBook was that when you've opened it to a certain extent here, everything was freezing. Yes, so now it's not freezing. You can open it fully and you can work. So what the problem was is that display connector was making a short, and sometimes it's making the short that it's a black screen, completely black screen, and sometimes it's making the short in these models that it's a just frozen picture. Yes, so till now I had only the one with a black screen completely, so I was trying to get this one out. I was seeing only the one which is no backlight was going off. That's the first time I see with the screen partially open and frozen display, so that's a new thing for me, although it's an old problem, the one which we know. I wasn't aware that it can freeze as well the picture. Yeah, so that's a new thing for me, so hopefully you've got a value out of it, because that's the whole reason for this recording. It's a new thing to learn for me, so I decided to record a video for you. So hopefully you've got a listen. Hope you'll learn something, and if so, please leave us a like button here this way, yes, if possible, if you don't mind. That's it in this video. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.